Another flag it is.
Coming up, Charlie.
This is such a great idea for We Love Cuddlestown Day.
Having everyone decorate their homes.
It's Pyjama-rific.
I'm glad you like it, Bananas.
Oh, hello, Birdie.
Do you like Charlie's flags too?
What sort of decorating will be on your home, Bananas?
We haven't decided yet.
We wanted to help you first.
You've helped me lots, Bananas. You should start working on your own house now.
Will do, Charlie.
Bye, Bananas.
Look at that. Bring back that flag, Bird. Oh! Oh well. I guess one less flag won't make that much of a difference.
Hi, Bananas!
Hello, Topsy.
Bye, Topsy.
Hey, what's the big rush?
We're going home.
So we can decorate it for the We Love Cuddlestown Day.
Hey, don't forget you also promised to help me with my house.
We did?
Oh, we did. Of course we'll help you.
Right away.
Thanks, Bananas.
This sparkly tinsel is banana-tastic.
And it makes your home look banana-tastic too, Topsy.
We just need a little more and we'll be finished.
It's you again.
What did you do with Charlie's flag?
Now you're taking some tinsel.
Come back here with that. Oh. I guess one less bit of tinsel won't matter.
Bananas!
Hi, Bernard.
Bananas, you're going the wrong way.
We are, Bernard.
You said you'd help me decorate my house, which is this way.
We said we'd help you.
We did say we'd help you.
Now we remember.
Oh, thank you, Bananas. I always know I can rely on you. Oh, I do love balloons.
So do we.
Keep those balloons coming, Bananas.
No problem, Bernard. Do you see who I see?
I do see who you see.
What do you think she wants now? She's taking a balloon.
Give that back.
Whoa! Grab it! Whoa! Oh, well. I guess one less balloon won't make that much of a difference. We've really got to hurry now.
Or we'll never get to decorate our house.
We've helped all our friends.
Everyone but Rat and the teddies.
Did we promise to help Rat and the teddies too?
We did promise to help Rat and the teddies.
Oh!
Thank you, Bananas. What would I do without you? Well, these paper lanterns you've helped me put up are perfect.
They are very pretty.
We like them a lot.
What makes them extra special is the super big light in each lantern. Do you want to see them turned on?
Yes, please, Rat.
Let there be light!
Woo-hoo-hoo!
You can see my shop from outer space. I'm a rat, I'm a rat, I'm a clever, clever rat.
Not you again.
Now what are you after?
Hey, that bird is taking my lantern.
Stop!
Look out, Bananas! Oh, cheese and whiskers.
You say the bird keeps taking things, Bananas.
Well, she's taken a flag and some tinsel.
And a balloon and a paper lantern.
Has the bird taken any of your decorations?
We haven't been able to decorate our home yet.
We've been too busy helping our friends.
You've helped us enough, Bananas.
Just like always. You should go and decorate your place now.
Thanks, Teddies.
Bye, Bananas. Bananas, is that the bird?
That's the bird.
Now she's taking fairy lights.
Stop, bird, stop.
Oh, watch where you're going, Bananas.
Bananas.
Now we can decorate our home, B2.
And then we'll be ready for We Love Cuddlestown Day.
We're going to decorate with something that no one else has used.
Flowers.
Our flowers.
They're gone.
Someone's picked them.
Who would do that? You!
You're not getting away this time.
Bring back our flowers!
Where did she go?
We've lost her. We have to think, B1.
Thinking it is, B2. But how do you follow a bird?
When you can't fly like a bird.
We can't think, B2.
Not with that bird tweeting.
Tweeting?
The bird!
She must be up there. What's that?
I don't know, but it's coming down. Oh no!
It's a baby bird.
He's fallen from his nest.
Are you all right?
Where's your mother, little bird?
It's you! We'll talk later about those things you took.
But first we'll put your baby back in the nest. All the way up there.
Oh.
I wonder how the bananas are decorating their home. I can't wait to see what they've done.
They've done nothing.
Bananas! Hello!
They're not home.
I think the bananas are going to need some help. Well, they did help us.
So it's only fair that we should help them.
I'll take the baby bird now, B1.
Baby bird to you, B2. The nest can't be too far away.
We're almost at the top.
One more climb should do it.
One more climb it is.
We did it.
We're at the top. Oh. It's all the decorations.
So that's why you took them.
You wanted to decorate your nest.
Like everyone in Cuddlestown is doing with their houses.
Pyjama-rific.
Now that we know that,
You can keep it all. It's okay, Mrs. Bird. We haven't forgotten.
now you stay with your mother.
And don't try and fly again.
Not until you're strong enough. Just look at this view, B2.
Ah, it's fantastic.
You can see all of Cuddlestown from up here.
And look!
You can see all our friends too.
This has to be the best view ever.
Except for one thing, B2.
What's that, B1?
Our house will be the only one with no decorations.
Then we'd better do something. And fast. We've got to go.
You stay safe now. Oh. What's happened to our home?
Where did all these decorations come from?
We saw that you hadn't decorated your house, so we decided to help. Since you helped decorate our homes, we thought we should do the same for you.
You, do like it, don't you, Bananas?
Did we do the right thing?
It's banana-tastic! And now we've got a surprise for you.
But we need your help, Bernard.
Of course, Bananas. You can have anything you need.
Then follow us, everyone.
Get ready, everyone.
For the best sight you'll ever see.
Wow! It's brilliant!
You can see all our decorations.
I must say the balloons around my house do look very pretty.
I like my flags too.
And I just love my lanterns.
You see? This way we get to see all our decorations.
And all of Cuddlestown.
What do you think, Birdie? She likes it.
And we couldn't agree more.
Couldn't agree more with what?
We love Cuddlestown.
Training bike? I don't need one.
Are you sure, Topsy?
A training bike helps a lot when you first start learning to ride. Ah, they're for babies. And I'm no baby. But it'll help you learn to balance. I know how to balance. Let's ride!
What a beautiful day, B2. The sun is shining.
The birds are singing.
And Topsy's learning to ride a bike.
That's the way, Topsy.
Keep the speed up.
And watch where you're going.
Topsy is learning to ride a bike.
Let's help her.
Looking good, Topsy.
You're doing great.
Look, B2. Topsy's learning to turn.
She's coming back this way.
She's riding really fast.
Does she know how to stop?
Watch out! I can't stop, bananas! Ouch! Oh, is anyone hurt?
We're fine.
Jamarama!
It was nothing.
Are you sure, Topsy?
Please try the training bike, Topsy.
That's how we learn to ride.
Huh, I don't need a training bike. Just watch me.
Are we ready, Topsy?
I'm ready to ride.
And we're ready to push.
Pushing.
Now!
Letting go.
Now! You're getting better all the time.
She is getting the balance, B2.
And she is getting the control, B1.
She's also getting fast.
Maybe too fast.
Watch out for the lake, Topsy.
Use the brakes.
Oh, brakes!
Are you all right, Topsy?
You're not hurt, are you?
No, I'm not hurt, but I'm wet. Topsy, we have to insist. Please use the training bike. Just till you learn to stay balanced. I am not going to use a training bike. Ever. Never, ever.
But you'll learn to ride so much quicker, Topsy.
I don't want to ride a bike anymore. Bike riding is silly. Huh?
Topsy shouldn't give up bike riding.
She's missing out on so much fun.
She just has to learn how to do it.
How do we get Topsy to start learning again?
We don't know.
Make that 5 of us who don't know.
Topsy's bike is so pretty,
She must love it.
but she doesn't love it enough to keep riding it.
If only she did.
Bananas! That's a brilliant idea.
Did we have an idea?
Yes! Topsy loves pretty things, right?
Yes.
So if we make the training bike really pretty,
Yes.
Then Topsy will want to ride it.
Yes! That is a great idea.
That's what we'll do.
But we'll need some help. Charlie, help!
What do you think, Bananas?
It's Pyjama-rific!
But will Topsy love it?
I'm sure she'll love it. Thank you, Charlie.
Good luck!
Hi, Bananas.
Hello, Topsy.
We're here for your next bike riding lesson.
But I told you, bike riding is silly. I'm not going to learn it.
Will you still say that?
After we show you this,
Wow! Oh, it's so pretty.
It gets better.
how about that?
Fairy lights! I love them.
We thought you would.
But
What, Topsy?
I'll never ride it.
Never?
Sorry, Bananas. Not ever.
Oh.
here come the bananas.
But I don't see Topsy. What happened, Bananas?
She loved the decorations.
But she still hates it because it's a training bike.
But she needs to use the training bike to learn.
Then she'll find that riding a bike is as easy as kangaroo hopping. Kangaroo hopping is hard.
What's so funny?
Hopping like a kangaroo isn't hard.
Really? Then why don't you show us, Bananas?
Easy.
Right, Bananas. Let's see how you hop.
To hop like a kangaroo, you go like this.
And do this.
Hop away! Hop, 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 hop.
Didn't you say it was easy, Bananas?
We'll try again.
Let's hop! Hop, 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 hop.
It doesn't look so simple, Bananas.
It is simple. Hop, 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 hop.
I think hopping like a kangaroo is easy for a kangaroo.
But not for Bananas.
If we want to hop, we'll have to get Topsy to teach us.
Bananas! That's another brilliant idea.
We had another idea?
If Topsy saw you learning something like hopping, then she might learn something like riding a bike.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am B1.
It's hopping time!
Huh? Teach you to hop?
We can't hop like a kangaroo.
But we'd like to.
Would you teach us, Topsy?
Why not? I'll teach you to hop. It'll be fun.
Thanks, Topsy!
There should be lots of room here.
Ready to go, Topsy?
Bike helmets. Do you really need those?
You'll soon see why.
First, you should get loose.
Getting loose, B2!
Very loose, B1.
The best way to hop is to think that your legs are like big springs.
Oh?
So you're not really hopping, you're bouncing.
Bouncing.
You're a big spring.
Big spring.
Ready to bounce?
Ready?
Go!
Huh?
Yes! Yes! Oh! Hopping like a kangaroo isn't easy for you, is it?
We keep falling over.
How do we stop falling over?
I don't know, Bananas. Maybe you need something to help you keep yourself up.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's Charlie time!
What are the bananas doing with Charlie?
They've been in there for ages. How is Charlie going to help them hop? It beats me.
Stand by, everyone. We're ready to go.
What have you done, Charlie?
It took time, but I've made the perfect helper. Come on out, bananas.
Wow!
What are they, bananas?
They're hopping helpers.
They'll help us keep our balance when we hop.
Let's give them a hop test.
Remember your big springs.
Big springs.
Uh-huh. Think bouncing.
Think bouncing.
And go!
Whoa!
Whoopee!
The hopping helpers work.
The bananas aren't falling over.
Yay! Success!
Amazing! Those hopping helpers are helping them to hop perfectly. Do they remind you of something, Topsy? Like what? Think about it. Wait for me! Huh? Lulu! Stop! Please tell me! Lulu! Where are you? Oh, tell me what you were talking about! This is what I was talking about. The training bike. If the bananas can use hopping helpers, maybe you can use a bike riding helper. Oh, maybe I can. Topsy will learn to ride her bike in no time now.
And the bananas will be top kangaroo hoppers in no time too.
They must be very tired. I wonder when they'll stop.
Not for a long time yet, I think. They're having way too much fun.
What shall we do today, B1?
There's the Teddy's house, B2. Maybe we should go and visit them.
Good idea, B1. I always love visiting the teddies.
So do I, B2.
Move! Sorry, B1. After you.
No, after you, B2.
Thank you.
Hello, Morgan.
Hi, bananas. Come in.
Hello, Teddies. It's a beautiful day. Would you like to go to the beach with us?
No, thanks, bananas. Achoo!
Then how about a picnic instead?
We don't feel like going anywhere today, bananas. Sorry.
Why not, Teddies?
Why are you all looking so sad?
We're sad because we're supposed to go on a big holiday tomorrow.
To this beautiful island.
Oh, that looks wonderful. We'd love to go there, wouldn't we, B1?
We certainly would, B2. Why are you all so sad about it?
Achoo! Because we've come down with bad colds, so it looks like we won't be able to go away after all.
That is bad news, Teddies.
Is there anything we can do to help?
Not unless you know how to get rid of our colds.
Do we know how to do that, B1?
I don't think so, B2.
Sorry, Teddies.
Achoo!
Poor Teddies. I wish we could do something to make them feel better, B1.
So do I, B2. You know, I always think the best way to feel better is to do something fun.
That's right, B1. When you have fun, you start to feel better right away. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's
Have fun with Teddy's time! Surprise!
Bananas!
We're the Clown Bananas! And we're here to put on a show!
Put on a show? What for?
To make you feel better!
By having fun.
But bananas, we don't...
Come on, teddies! It's showtime!
Oh.
How do you like my flower, B1? Have a smell.
I've got a joke, B2. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo!
Boo-hoo.
Don't cry, B2. It's only a joke. Oof!
I don't think this is working, B1.
You're right, B2. The teddies don't look like they're having fun at all.
Maybe it's because they're not joining in, B1.
That's it, B2. We have to get them to join in somehow. Then they'll have fun. Come on, teddies!
What's the idea, Bananas?
We're going to play a game.
Bananas, we don't feel like playing games.
But we can play hide and seek.
And you love hide and seek.
We do, but...
Come on.
We like to hide, we like to seek, we like to run along the banks beside the creek. We like to bob up and down, or find a tree to run around and round. It's playtime, shout out hooray time. Playtime, do it every day time. Playtime, come and play today. It's playtime, shout out hooray! It's playtime, it's time to play!
Look, B2. The teddies are asleep.
Oh dear, I don't think they were having much fun, B1.
Should we try a different way to make them feel better?
Good idea, B1. What's something that the teddies always have fun doing? What about dancing, B1?
Of course! The teddies love dancing.
Oh, what's that noise?
Sounds like music.
Oh dear, what are the bananas up to now?
This should make the teddies feel better, B1.
It's making me feel better, B2, and I'm not even sick. Oof!
What are you doing, Bananas?
We're dancing, teddies!
But what for?
For fun! Come on, try it!
It'll make you feel great.
What happened to the teddies, B1?
I think they're having even less fun than they did before. Are you all right, teddies?
Bananas, we know you're just trying to make us feel better. But right now we feel so sick, we only want peace and quiet.
And sleep.
Sleep? Are you sure, teddies?
We're sure. So it might be best if you just went home.
Oh, okay. Let's go home, B1.
Home it is, B2.
I wish we could have helped the teddies feel better, B1.
So do I, B2.
Oh.
Hi there, bananas. It's a beautiful day.
Shh. Quiet, please, Rat.
The teddies are sleeping.
But it's the middle of the day.
They're feeling sick, Rat.
So please don't drive past their house in case it wakes them.
But I was going to the lake, and it's that way.
There are lots of other places to go, Rat.
You wouldn't want to wake the teddies, would you?
I don't suppose so. All right, then. I'll turn around.
At least we've helped the teddies by doing that, B1.
We have, B2.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's keep everyone quiet time. Any noises to report? Noise Patrol Banana 1?
Not a whisper, Noise Patrol Banana 2. Shh! Can you sing more quietly, please, Bird? Thank you, Bird.
What's that noise, B1?
It's Topsy going for a hop, B2, and she's heading this way.
Topsy, stop!
Oh, anything wrong, Bananas?
Yes, Topsy, the teddies aren't feeling well.
And your hopping might wake them up.
Oh, what if I hop quietly then? Like this.
What do you think, Noise Patrol Banana 1?
That should be okay, Noise Patrol Banana 2.
Thanks, Topsy.
Bye, Noise Patrol Bananas!
I like being a Noise Patrol Banana, B1.
I love it, B2.
Oh, it's very quiet now, isn't it, Noise Patrol Banana 1?
Very, very quiet, Noise Patrol Banana 2. Maybe we could have a little rest.
Good idea. But we have to stay awake in case there are more noises to stop.
Oh, we'll stay wide awake. Don't worry about that.
I had such a good sleep. Me too. That was my best sleep ever.
And I slept so well, I think my cold's all gone. Achoo! Oh, well, nearly.
It's the bananas. But why are they sleeping here?
Bananas, wake up.
Oh,
Hello, teddies.
You haven't been here all night, have you?
have we, B2?
I think we might have, B1.
Why didn't you go home, Bananas?
Because we're on Noise Patrol.
What's that?
We were making sure Cuddles Avenue was quiet.
So you could have a good sleep.
You mean you stayed here all night?
Just so we can have a good sleep.
But that's so nice of you, Bananas. Can we talk, Teddy? Bananas, even though we all feel much better than yesterday,
Because of our beautiful sleep.
we still don't feel well enough to go away on holiday.
Oh, no.
So, we've decided that two of our friends should take the holiday instead.
Gosh, how lucky are they?
Who are these friends, teddies?
You, of course!
Wow! Thank you, Teddies!
After all the work you did, you probably need a holiday, Bananas. So here are the tickets.
You'd better go home and pack right away.
Okay! Thanks, Teddies! Bye!
We'll send you a postcard.
Bananas!
Do you hear what I hear, B1? What could it be?
It sounds a little wet, B2.
Wet and watery, B1?
Maybe it's a dripping tap.
No, it's not the tap. Maybe it's Finny the goldfish playing splashy games.
No splashy games here, B2.
This is a mystery, B1.
Wait a minute. The noise isn't coming from downstairs.
It's coming from upstairs. There's something wet on my head, B1.
Uh-oh. Do you see what I see, B2? The roof is leaking!
Don't worry, Bananas. I can fix that leak. No problem.
Thanks, Charlie.
But I've got a few jobs to do at home first. Then I'll come and do it straight afterwards.
Whoa!
Oh, there's just one more thing.
What's that, Charlie?
I'll have to remove the roof to fix it. But it will only take a day or two.
But we can't sleep here if our house has no roof.
We'll get wet when it rains.
And hot when the sun shines.
And cold when the wind blows.
Sounds like a little bit of rat help might be needed.
Sorry, Bananas. Perhaps you should stay somewhere else then. Must be off. Bye now.
Hey!
What a lucky pair of fellows you are.
We are?
I've heard all about your leaky roof, and I think I have the answer to your problems.
You mean you can fix it?
What? Oh, no. I'll leave the fixing to Charlie. But I do have the perfect place for you to stay while he does it.
Oh, thanks, Rat, but we'll be okay.
We'll just stay with our friends, the teddies.
The teddies? Oh, look, I happen to know that teddies are very busy for the next day or so. And besides, I have the perfect place for you to stay.
Really?
Where?
Rat's Retreat, of course.
Rat's Retreat?
It's the perfect home away from home. It has a pool and a view and air-conditioned comfort.
Pajama-tastic.
Banana-rific.
But it is very popular. Rooms aren't easy to get.
Oh, please help us, Rat. We'd love to stay there.
Well, I can't promise, but I'll see if there's a room available. Now, let me check the bookings. Aha! It's your lucky day, Bananas.
It is?
A room has just become available. We've had a last-minute cancellation by the King and Queen of Cheeseburger.
Are they important?
All the guests at Rat's Retreat are important. If you meet them, make sure you bow.
Sure thing, Rat.
Now, the cost of your room is 2 honey cakes. In advance.
Leave it to us, Rat.
We'll be right back.
Hello, Bananas. Found a place to stay yet?
We're staying at Rat's Retreat.
The King and Queen of Cheeseburger are staying somewhere else.
So we can have their room.
They sound very important.
And when you meet them, you have to bow.
Like this.
Ah! Help!
Oh, dear.
Hurry, B1.
Hurry, B2. Oof. Catch it, B2.
Catching, B1.
Ah! Thanks, Bananas.
Oh, you're welcome, Charlie.
Gotta go.
Bye.
Hello, Bananas. Oh, what's all the rush?
We're off to stay at Rat's Retreat.
Rat's Retreat?
Lots of important people stay there.
You lucky Bananas.
So we won't bother you at all.
Because we know you're busy.
Busy? We're just off to have a picnic at the lake as soon as we find Morgan.
Are we there yet?
Morgan! Have you been asleep in there the whole time?
Not the whole time. I'm awake now.
Have a great day, teddies.
Bye.
Why do the Bananas think we're busy today? No idea.
Good afternoon, Bananas. I am Manager Rat.
You look like regular Rat to us.
But I have a new duty to perform.
You do?
I have to personally escort you to Rat's Retreat and settle you in.
Wonderful!
Just as soon as you hand over those munchy honey cakes.
Here's mine, Manager Rat.
And mine.
Excellent. Now, walk this way. Not far to Rat's Retreat now.
What will we do first, B1?
Go for a swim in the pool, B2?
Or sit in our chairs and look at the view?
We're here.
Where?
Rat's Retreat. Isn't it marvellous?
But where's the pool?
Right here.
That's not a pool. That's the lake.
Oh, pool, lake, they both have water in them.
And where's the view?
Well, look around, Bananas. You can see the whole world.
I can only see the rubbish dump.
You don't get to see a rubbish dump like that every day.
Well, what about the air-conditioned comfort, Manager Rat?
Well, it's all there, see? No walls to get in the way of the cool summer breeze. And at night, you can see the stars.
Could you find us another room, Manager Rat?
A room that's comfortable and nice?
I'm afraid that's impossible. There are no other rooms available. Well, I must be off. Cheery bye.
Rat's Retreat is certainly different, B1. What should we do?
We don't have anywhere else to go, so I suppose we'll just have to stay here.
And remember, we must always wear our life jackets in the boat.
And our sunscreen and hats.
Hello, teddies.
Are you staying here too?
Here? Where's here?
Rat's Retreat, of course. It's got a pool.
That's just the lake.
And a view?
Of the rubbish dump?
And it's air-conditioned.
That's because there aren't any walls. Did you actually pay to stay here?
Manager Rat just charged us 2 honey cakes.
Trust Rat to be behind this.
We're sorry to tell you, Bananas, but that naughty rat has tricked you again.
He has?
This isn't a proper place to stay at all.
Oh, that tricky rat.
Don't worry, we can be tricky too. Now, let's make a plan.
I'm a rat, I'm a very clever munchy honey cake eating rat.
Good afternoon, Rat.
Uh-oh. Now, Bananas, if you've come to complain about Rat's Retreat...
Complain?
Not us.
We love Rat's Retreat.
You do? I mean, of course you do.
The people there are so nice.
What people?
The ones at Rat's Retreat.
They gave us the yummiest pancakes.
Pancakes? Really?
Hi, Bananas! You were right about those pancakes, Bananas. They're delicious.
I love pancakes. Excuse me, Teddies, but where did you get them?
Rat's Retreat, of course.
What?
The cook there makes the most delicious pancakes I've ever eaten.
A cook at Rat's Retreat? This is incredible. Are you the pancake chef?
How can I help you?
I'll have a plate of your best pancakes, please.
So sorry. The pancakes are for guests only. The bananas and the teddies.
But you don't understand. They're not really guests. And this isn't even a proper hotel.
Zut, is not?
Well, look at it. Just a few old branches near the rubbish dump. No one would ever stay in a place like this.
But the bananas are.
I tricked them. That's what I do.
So you admit it was a trick? You've been a very naughty rat.
And we thought that you were trying to help us.
But
And I'm not really the pancake chef.
I'm sorry, Bananas. When I heard about your leaky roof, I couldn't resist the chance to get some honey cakes from you.
It wasn't a very nice trick, Rat.
I know, and I'll make it up to you.
How?
Well,
Give them back their honey cakes?
possibly.
And clean up their house once Charlie's fixed the roof.
I suppose so.
Good to hear, Rat. And what about Rat's Retreat?
As of now, it's officially closed.
Where will we stay now, B1?
Rat will look after you.
I will.
And I bet he can make your stay feel like the perfect holiday.
I can. Yes, of course I can. I think.
Camping is actually lots of fun, B2.
It sure is, B1. Especially when you've got such great help from your friends.
Anything else I can get you, sirs?
A glass of cold milk would be nice.
2 glasses of milk, please, Rat.
You know, having to stay at Rat's Retreat might turn out to be a good thing after all.
It won't be just good, B1. It'll be banana-tastic.